I remember in May when our partner called us and said, Vasi, we are in a big need of summer clothes, because when they start journey from Mariupol, it was winter. Now it's summer, they don't have enough clothes with them. So we immediately we collect and we donate a truck with summer clothes. Those being in Chernivtsi, they are much needed to be helped, because those are really poor, they really are confused. A lot of them, they don't know what to do the next steps, and they are not thinking to go to cross the border, only if there's bombing there, but they never thought to leave the country.
6 months after the outbreak of the conflict, cross-border cooperation partners in Europe and beyond keep supporting Ukrainian refugees. The Smart for Youth project is a partnership between schools and educational institutions linking border regions across Romania and Ukraine. In Chernivtsi, Ukraine, the Higher Vocational Arts School No. 5 has become a shelter for 140 families. There are over 400 people in need of basic commodities, from clothes to food to hygiene products. On the other side, in Suceava, Romania, the Association of Community Development Consultants is running a mothers' support group where refugee women can talk to each other and maintain a network of care.
And also sometimes we invite experts from different fields. For example, we had experts from the bank, because they really need to open a bank account and have their own card, or people from the migration center in order to give them the information related with the status, with the documents they need to remain in the area. And of course, on the last periods, we have a lot of people coming from the school inspectorate, how we can support the youngsters to start school here on the area.
While mothers get practical tips on how to open a bank account or to look for a job, their children join the after-school program, where they receive Romanian and English language training, art classes, and a crucial hot meal. Anastasia is 18. She came to Suceava as a refugee from Chernivtsi, together with her mother, sister, and brother, and she is now volunteering as an English teacher.
I know English, also Romanian, Ukrainian, and she said me about the opportunity to teach children here. And I was really happy, because it is the job that gives me power, energy, and helped me to abstract from the news, from the situation. The children have here the opportunity to socialize. They have opportunity to teach something or to repeat, because it is very difficult now, because they are here without their fathers. And also mothers tells me that when they go home, they tell them about some new words in Romanian, in English.
Маю 2 хлопчиків. Тому я зацікавлена в пошуку роботи, тому що я тут одна з ними. Зацікавлена тим, щоб вони пішли в садочок і в школу, щоб я могла працювати і продовжувати.
At the border, hundreds of commercial lorries queue up for days, while humanitarian aid trucks can drive through a fast lane. Suceava is very close to Ukraine, and at the beginning of the invasion, it was judged more as a transit place. But many refugees, considering their hospitality and the proximity, have decided to stay, while others have already returned home. For this community on the run, it is difficult to make plans. New evacuees keep arriving, an endless flow of in and out people, searching for something, an old home, a new beginning, or just a safer autumn for kids.
Our mission as a project, it was to support vulnerable youngsters to access the labor market. How? To improve their skills, and also to give a new glue about how they can improve the digital part, but also this new arts, which is video, photo, that is very attractive for young generation.
The Smart for Youth project activities started in January 2020. Their aim was to act against school abandonment and to favour the access to the labour market for 200 young people at risk. These kids often come from a vulnerable background and they don't go further in their studies. The idea was to strengthen their skills, thanks to the development of vocational training curricula in new technologies, video, photography, arts and crafts. Special focus was put on training of teachers in the new activities, Above all, there was the need to set out the cooperation between institutions in this field.
The trainers before this project, they never cooperate, and we are 70 kilometers far. It's unbelievable because we are working on the same labor market, if we consider. To put in contact these public institutions to work together in the future, because there are massive opportunities and they should be aware about this necessary of direct cooperation. That was the main topic of our scope.